Tingnan nyo itong picture na ito. Ano itong picture na ito? Ano yan? Ano? Scoreboard. Pansinin nyo, ang scoreboards does not tell us who started strong. Scoreboards only tell us who finished strong. Kasi it does not matter kung ang unang pasok mo dito, grabe, hataw kang ganda ng trabaho mo. Those who really succeed, finish strong. Pansinin niyo, marami nang nagdaan na empleyado dito, pero minsan 2 months lang, 4 months, 6 months. But if you want to see success, you need to grind until the very end. Ito kasi ang problema sa lipunan natin ngayon. Ay nako, we are so obsessed with being first. First honor, top 1 sales. Maganda, meron tayong recognition pero tandaan po ninyo ito, isa lang naman ang nare-recognize talaga na top 1. Hindi naman pwedeng dalawa silang top 1, hindi na top 1 yun. Di ba? But I believe in this. The world does not need more first placers. It needs more finishers. Kasi kahit naman mag-top 1, yung top 1 dito, kung isa lang ang sale na lamang niya sa'yo, siya pa rin ang top 1. But does it really matter? Di ba? Hindi naman nabawasan yung commission mo. Ang importante ito, nagbinigay mo yung best mo and then you finished well. All of us should be finishers. If you want to be have a great career, great marriage, great family, we want to be finishers. Kaya ang dream ko para sa ating lahat, na pagka nandun na kayo, retired na kayo, nandun kayo sa rocking chair ninyo, you will tell yourself, uy, I finished great in my career, I finished great in my marriage, in my family life, I finished great in my health because you did the right thing until the very end.